Hi, I'm Ilya from Bitskout. In this video I wanted to show you how you can extract data from lease agreements to your Google Sheets. So Bitskout has a new template called Lease Agreements, so you can look for it. Here it is. You can check what it is about, but if you want to use it directly, let's create a plugin, press Use Template. In this case we're going to be using Zapier, so as you can see here you have Google Sheets, but what the system will tell you that okay, we actually do not have direct integration, so better use Zapier. So we're gonna go directly to Zapier, and we don't need to select any scenarios because I know the scenario that I want to build, and these are just an examples for you. Let's click here, next, and finish. Okay, so now our plugin is ready, and we can use it in Zapier. So let's create it. A Zap. The first trigger we're going to use comes from Google Drive. You can use the trigger as a Gmail or other, let's say, Dropbox. But in our case, the utility bills are coming to Google Drive. So let's do that. Selecting my accounts, and then let's select the drive. It's going to be my Google Drive, and then the folder where the files will appear. I have all my files here. Let's find the lease agreement file. Okay, and here is our file. Here it is. And the reason why we need an example file is to allow Zapier to run Bitskout as a test and then receive back the fields that we extract. So let's choose Bitskout in this case. Here, let's choose an event. And in this case, we need to run a plugin for a file. Let's continue. Let's choose my account. And choosing my account allows me to choose my plugins, and I have here this agreement. Here it is, and the file URL in this case we need to choose file exists but not shown, nothing else. Okay, that's it. Now let's continue and let's test this tab. This will allow Zapier now to run a plugin, extract the data and see which fields it receives, and then we'll be able to map those fields into a Google Sheet. Okay. Okay, so we have it. The next step is we need to add the Google Sheets. Okay, and we need to create a spreadsheet row. Let's continue. Again, my account. Now let's choose the sheet where we want data to appear, and I have a special testing one. Yes, that's the one. Gonna be in the first one, and just map the fields. I don't have exactly prepared fields for lease agreements, but probably you already have, so you can map it where you want. Okay, so I'm gonna map just a few of them. All right, continue, and let's test this step. And what will happen? The data should appear here. So here it is. All right. So this way, in less than 5 minutes, you can automate data extraction from any lease agreements that you have to your Google Sheets. Thanks a lot for your time.